In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive notifications. By the end, you'll have a quieter desktop without those pop-ups interrupting your work. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll add a few quick tips along the way so you know exactly what to look for. Start on your desktop so you can easily see your taskbar. If you have windows open, just minimize them so the desktop is visible. We're heading to the lower right corner of your screen on the taskbar where the system tray lives. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon down there. It's usually a white or blue cloud. If you don't see it immediately, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, then find the cloud. Once you spot it, click the OneDrive icon to open the OneDrive panel. This brings up the small menu that shows your recent sync activity and status. With that panel open, look toward the top right or top area of the panel for a gear icon. That gear represents settings. Click the gear to open the small menu, and then click Settings from that menu. You might notice this feels like you're choosing settings twice. First the gear, then the settings option. That's expected, and it's the right path. A OneDrive settings window will open. In this window, find the section labeled Notifications. Depending on your version, it might appear as a tab on the left or a category within the main window. Click Notifications to open all the notification preferences. Now you'll see a list of toggles that control what OneDrive alerts you about. To stop OneDrive notifications, turn off all the toggles here. Switch each one off so it's clearly disabled. This typically includes things like sync status alerts, sharing notifications, and suggestions. Turning them all off ensures OneDrive won't keep popping up messages while you work. If you prefer a middle ground, you can leave on only the ones you truly need. But for a completely quiet experience, disable them all. There's no separate save button. Your changes take effect right away. You can close the settings window when you're done. From here on, OneDrive will continue syncing in the background without notifying you. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you use more than one OneDrive account on the same PC, repeat these settings for each account's profile within the OneDrive app. And if you ever want notifications back, return to the same notifications section and turn the toggles on again. That's it. You've successfully stopped OneDrive notifications and reclaimed a distraction-free desktop. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher.